Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn some important points related to the lesson Production and Employment from the 10th class Social Studies textbook. India's economic growth rate slowed to 5.8% in January March 2018 to 19. Sectors of economy. People are engaged in different activities to earn their livelihoods. These activities are broadly categorized as follows: agriculture and related activities such as fishing, forestry, mining, where nature has a dominant role in the production process. Manufacturing processes and other industries where goods are produced by people using tools or machines. Those activities that do not result in a good but provide services that are required in production and other services for people. The value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year provides the total production of the sector for that year. And the sum of production in the three sectors gives what is called the gross domestic product of a country. It is the value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year. A period of 12 months over which the accounts and taxes of a company or a person are calculated is called a financial year. GDP records the market value of all final goods and services produced. GDP is made up of production from the three sectors: agriculture, industry, and services. Services, in turn, are seen to comprise of three types. Let us see the table. According to the Census of India 2011, out of 1210 million persons in India, 460 million people are workers. That is, people engaged in some productive activities. More than half of the workers in the country are working in the agriculture sector, producing only one sixth of the GDP. More number of people are engaged than required in agriculture. This is called as disguised employment. This is the situation of people who are underemployed, where people are apparently working but all of them are made to work less than their potential. 92% of workers in India are found in unorganized sector and only 8% find work in the organized sector. Organized and unorganized sector. Organized sector covers those enterprises or places of work where the terms of employment are regular and therefore people have assured work. They are registered by the government and have to follow its rules and regulations, which are given in various laws such as the Factories Act, Minimum Wages Act, Shops and Establishments Act, etc. It is called organized sector because it has some formal processes and procedures. Workers in the organized sector enjoy security of employment. They are expected to work only for a fixed number of hours. They get paid leave, payment during holidays, provident fund, etc. They are supposed to get medical benefits and under the laws. When they retire, many of these workers get pensions as well. People who work in the government or with companies or large establishments are all in the organized sector. The unorganized sector is characterized by small and scattered units which have remained largely outside the control of the government. There are rules and regulations, but these are not followed or enforced. Jobs here are low paid and not regular. There is no provision for overtime, paid leave, holidays, leave due to sickness, etc. Employment is not secure. In the rural areas, the unorganized sector mostly comprises of landless agricultural laborers, small and marginal farmers, sharecroppers, and artisans. Nearly 80% of rural households in India are in small and marginal farmer category. In the urban areas, unorganized sector comprises mainly of workers in small scale industry, casual workers in construction, trade and transport, etc. And those who work as street vendors, headload workers, garment makers, rag pickers, etc. To create more and better conditions of employment, identify, promote, and locate industries and services in semi rural areas where a large number of people may be employed. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.